Advanced Fix Guide. Fix Diablo IV unable to open critical file PC. 1. Repair game files most important. Corrupted files are the #1 cause. Battle.net, Open Launcher, Blizzard Entertainment Client. Go to Diablo IV, click Scan and Repair Steam. Library, Diablo IV Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. 2. Disable antivirus, add exception security apps often block game files. Temporarily disable antivirus. Add Diablo IV folder to exclusions. Also check Windows security, virus and threat protection. 3. Run game as administrator, permission issues can block file access. Right-click Diablo IV shortcut, click Run as administrator. 4. Check install location. Avoid protected folders like program files, sometimes restricted. Install in a custom folder like C, Games, Diablo IV. 5. Delete cache temp files. Broken cache can trigger this error. Press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Find Diablo IV Blizzard folders. Delete cache temp files, not full game. 6. Fix permissions, important. Make sure your user can access files. Go to Diablo IV install folder, right-click Properties, Security, give full control to your user account. 7. Install/repair required components. Missing dependencies can break file loading. Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, DirectX, latest. Last fix. If nothing works, completely uninstall Diablo IV, delete leftover folder manually, reinstall fresh common causes, corrupted game files, antivirus blocking files, missing permissions, broken cache, bad install directory. Best quick fix combo. If you want the fastest work solution, scan and repair plus disable antivirus plus run as admin.